Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing Merch by Amazon update number 53. Alright, so last week we got approved to sell in amazon.co.uk and amazon.de, which is for Germany. A little bit before receiving that email, they had announced that they are opening to those two countries for new markets. Obviously, I'm really excited, and I'm really interested to see how, the buying of those countries, because I have no idea what it's like for selling in the UK or in Germany. I only sell in the Amazons in the US and in Canada. So I was very happy with that news and that they're announcing this, before the Q4 season. That's going to be really exciting. And then we got even more excited when we got that email saying that, we are approved and we are in the program for the two new countries. Now they sent us an email saying that we are approved, and I actually can't show you the email or say very much about it because in bold letters at the top, they say that this is confidential and that you can't share this with other parties due to their agreement that I have with Amazon. So I will say one line that made me laugh from the email. So, the email, the gist of it is they're letting us know that we're in the program, and there's a line like in the middle, right? And it says, if you would like to participate, do nothing. That made me laugh so hard, and I actually love that they worded it like that. So initially, it seems they're going to do all the work for us. They are going to take care of the uploads. And they did actually start uploading some of our designs onto the UK site. And I didn't know that they were already going to start doing this. So when I logged into our account, and I saw the number of uploads higher, because I log in every day and I know the number. And then I saw that, you've done 20 uploads today. I paused for a second when I saw that. And I'm sort of just I'm confused. And I'm like, Marie wouldn't log in and do uploads. She's never been in the dashboard. She doesn't know how to do that. Maria would not do that. She would tell me if she would go in there. But then I was second guessing, did Maria go in there and upload? Why didn't she tell me? All these questions were going in my head. And then I thought, oh my gosh, someone hacked our account and they're uploading designs and they somehow have changed our banking information. So just as I thought that crazy thought, I clicked on the other tab and saw that uploads were going to amazon.co.uk. So Amazon was uploading on our behalf. And it's kind of cool. It's like some robot is going in there and taking the designs and uploading. It's so nice to have them do the work for you. So they really did mean if you would like to participate, do nothing, because that's pretty much what's happening right now. Also, in other good news, we got tiered to tier 2000. So we went from tier 1000 to tier 2000, and I know that this is because of all of the new news with the two new countries, UK and Germany, and them uploading on our behalf. They need the space in our accounts. So a whole bunch of people got tiered up, which is cool. So the uploads, your total uploads, it looks like it will be shared with all three countries. So if you are on tier 2000, let's say for example, you don't get 2000 for .com, 2000 for .uk, or 2000 for .de. It's 2000 for all the countries that you're selling in. So that is something to keep in mind because, if you use up all your space, then you can't upload onto other countries. And our sales have been pretty steady thus far, pretty much still 5 to 10 per day. And to be honest, we have taken a bit of a break because it's summertime here in Vancouver. We have the 4 seasons of weather, and when it hits summertime, everyone in Vancouver loves it, does all the hikes, outdoor adventures. We've actually also had a lot of family friends come in here, and we've been doing a lot of tourism BC. And just a bunch of outdoor adventures. Also, in about, what day is it? I'm filming this on August 16th. On August 20th, I'm actually leaving for Bermuda. I'm going to the country of Bermuda. And whenever I say that to people, they think it's they pause for a second and then they go, "The triangle?" And it's like, no, I'm not going to the triangle. I'm going to the country of Bermuda. It's an actual tiny country. And my sister, my younger sister, is getting married. So the whole family is flying over there, friends and family. We're all going to be there I'm going to be there with Arit and my other friend Phoebe for about 2 weeks. So we'll be back in September. And stay tuned on this channel because I will be doing a bunch of live stream videos while I'm there. I'm supposed to be doing like a scuba dive type thing and going swimming in the caves and just like a bunch of outdoor adventures. So I will be doing a bunch of live streams. So although we've been taking a little bit of a break, the sales have been steady, the same. And you know, when we're back in the beginning of September, we're gonna go at it for Q4. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. How's it going with you guys? How is the summer season for sales going for you? Let me know in the comments section down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.